In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see calories in Starbucks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find calorie details for any Starbucks drink right on their website so you can make choices that fit your goals. First, open your web browser and go to the Starbucks menu page. If you land on a regional version of the site, that's perfectly fine. The layout is similar and the steps are the same. Once you're on the home page, give the page a second to load fully so all the navigation elements appear. Look toward the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation panel. This sidebar is where Starbucks groups everything on the menu. Find the section labeled Drinks and click it. This takes you to the full drinks area where items are organized into categories. Next, click on a drink category that matches what you're looking for. Options like hot coffees, cold coffees, frappuccino blended beverages, teas, or refreshers are common examples. Choosing a category helps narrow the list so you can quickly find your specific beverage. Now scroll through that category and select a drink you're interested in. Clicking the drink opens its dedicated page. This is the key step because the individual drink page is where Starbucks displays detailed information, including calories. On the drink page, look for the nutrition section. Depending on your region, you'll typically see calories listed near the drink name or under a nutrition or nutrition information area. Sometimes it appears as kcal, which is the same as calories. If there's a disclosure you can expand, click it to reveal the full details. You'll often see calories change as you switch between sizes like tall, grande, or venti, so make sure the size matches what you plan to order. Keep in mind that customizations can affect the numbers. For example, adding whipped cream, syrups, or sweeteners will raise calories, while choosing a lighter milk option may reduce them. If the page allows you to adjust options, watch how the calorie count updates as you make changes. A quick tip, some blended and seasonal beverages show a range or may note starting at a certain number of calories. That's because default recipes and toppings vary. Also, nutrition values can differ slightly by region, so the numbers you see reflect your selected country's standard recipes. That's it. Open the menu, go to drinks, pick a category, choose a beverage, and view the drink page to see the calories clearly displayed. Use this info to compare options and order with confidence.